Hello everyone, in this video we will show you a project in which we train a bot in order to play the Flappy Bird game using the QLearning technique. More information about this will be in the description. First, let's take a look at the bot without any previous training. Let's clear the Q table and now run the game. As a first impression, we can see that the bot is very bad at the game because the reward system hasn't learned anything yet. Let's train it through 1000 iterations. Through these images, we can see how the reward system changes over time depending on the input of the system. Now we can check how the bot performs while playing the game. We can see a visible performance on the game. Let's train it a little bit more. 2000 iterations should be enough. That will be 3000 iterations in total. And also the reward system, it's a little bit more complex than before. So in this case, we can see that the QLearning table are being updated through the time. Now we can see that the bot now masters the game. But what does this graphs means? Well, this is a representation of the Q metrics table, in which instead of representing 3D array, we are using 1D array with an index that uses the three indexes concatenated. First one is the difference in position of the bird and the pipe in X. Second one is the difference in the position of the bird and the pipes in Y. And the last one is the velocity of the bird. And the action and the reward value are saved in the X in the output for it. And this is what we see in the graphs. For further information, check the documentation in the paper. Thanks.